welcome back to Tea Time with Chelsea. This week I'm very excited. We'll be unboxing a teapot. What would it be? Tea Time with Chelsea without unboxing some tea, right? So let's get into it. I'm very excited. So here it is. It is a 40-ounce clear teapot. So it has a sifter right here if you have loose tea, which is great. And then this is the most exciting part. So this is by a company called Tea Bloom, first off. And this is a little tea that when you put in hot water, it blossoms open to a flower. How exciting! I'm so excited. I've been looking for these everywhere for like years. And finally I was able to find them on Amazon. So here's the teapot. And also is a 12 count of the Blossom teas. Let's take a look inside. I didn't get to see what inside looks like yet. Oh my god, they're so cool. So it comes with 4 different flavors. You can see right here. And they're shaped differently than a normal tea. They're in like a ball form almost. So there's a Flower Sunset, which is jasmine. Love at First Sight, which is, ooh, that sounds really cool. Bloom Berry, and an orange. So I'm gonna be making some of these today. I'm gonna do one just so we can see what it looks like and see how cool it is. If you can see the picture right here, this is what it looks like inside the pot. Isn't that so cool? I can't wait to see it. Okay, so before I go in, rinse this out and heat up some water. Let's unbox it and see what it looks like inside, okay? I'm really excited. If I can get it. Ooh, there we go. All right, so I unboxed these boxes, but I didn't unbox this box. So I'm very excited to see what the teapot itself looks like. All right, so first off, here's this. Ooh, glass top. Oh, this must be sifter, I believe it's called. Oh wow, all glass. So this, oh wow, this is so cool, guys. So you put the loose tea in here, and then through these little slits, it releases it into the water. Wow, that's like really cool. Ooh. So it also comes with 2 green tea flowers. So you have 2. So if you don't want to try the box just yet, you want to see if you like it, the pot itself comes with 2 of them, which is really cool. Oh, really nice. The teapot. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Oh, a little styrofoam in there. Oh my god, guys, look at it. It is so cool that it's clear, so we get to see everything. Oh my god. Tap test. Yeah, this is awesome. I can't wait to try this. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this away. I'm gonna go rinse this out and heat up some water. I'll be back in just a moment, okay? Okay guys, I'm back. So I boiled some water. I filled it about halfway. So now let's pick out our tea. Okay, here's this beautiful packaging. So there's jasmine, Love at First Sight, Bloom Berry, and orange. And I thought it'd be fun maybe to do Love at First Sight. So let's give that one a try. All right. If I can figure out how to open this as well. Oh my god, guys. I don't think I can open it. All right, got one down. Okay. Another one. Okay, let's see if I can, nope, can't do it. All right guys, I promise I'm almost done. Okay, this thing is super awesome, super cool, super pretty. Extremely hard to open. All right, got the plastic off, yay! All right, so here's the Love at First Sight. Let's open it up so you guys can see it. Yay! All right, oh, okay, it's clear in the back. behind it. Look at the ball. Oh my God. That is gonna be so cool. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna push this aside and take the teapot. Now I'm gonna lower it so you guys can see it. Okay, ready? I'm gonna take the top off. See it's smoking. I have the ball out. Ready? Right now it's just moving around. Let's see what happens. Let's see how long this takes us. Okay, so I put that part in fast forward because it took a little bit longer than I thought. I thought when I put the bulb in, it was gonna instantly flower. It didn't. It took a little bit, about 5-6 minutes. So it's been sitting here for about 6 minutes now. And this is what it looks like. It is a flower, I'm not gonna lie. It's really cool. To be able to have a tea with like legit a flower in it is awesome. The only disappointment is how long it took. But we can wait for good tea, right? It's worth it. So, with that said, and I also forgot, what is having tea time without some tea cakes? I got some strawberry little tea cakes to have with it. So I'm gonna open those up. Look at that. Ooh, they smell delicious. Oh my God. Yep, I have to go back for a second left. All right, so I have my teacup. Yeah. All right, let's put some of this in there. A true test. And how does it taste? This right here, again, this is what it looks like. Okay, so some leaves did fall in there. And I think the longer it sits, the stronger it is. So again, it sat for about 6+ minutes. So let's try it. Ooh. Ooh. It almost tastes like rose. Let's take a look at what's in the package. I'm getting like as if you're drinking a flower garden, if that makes sense. I like that, but if you're not like a super flowery person, then Love at First Sight is probably not for you. I really feel like I am drinking a flower garden. Would be the best description. And let's see if they have what's in it. Oh, they do not. Okay, it's interesting. I'm sure you'll be able to look up online on what's in it. Now let's see how it goes with the strawberry tea cake. Look at how cute they are. They're actually called tea cakes. Love gosh. These are yummy. Yummy. I'm back for a little more tea. Isn't this teacup pretty? I got it to match my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I really like that. All in all, I definitely recommend this. So you can buy them separately, the teapot, and it comes with 2 buds, 2 of the tea buds. And again, they're so cool. How cool would this be? Have like a little tea party or have friends over, you just pull this out. It's like entertainment. It's so cool. Definitely recommend. If you like tea, 100%. And again, it comes with 2, so you don't have to buy this if you don't want to. But this is also really cool to whip out as well. And be like, oh, choose a flavor. Pick one, anyone. I think it's really cool. I love it. Oh my gosh, definitely recommend. Thumbs up. And I'll also put in the link on where I bought these. I bought these off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the bio if you guys like them. I definitely recommend them. I think they're awesome. It's delicious. It's really tasty. I really feel like I'm in a garden drinking this. It's amazing. Yummy. All right, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have anything you want me to look at or anything, any suggestions or anything like that on next week's or the following weeks, please let me know in the comments. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye, guys.